Welcome. My name is Alex. Thank you so much for being here. Please do subscribe because I post just about every day and you don't want to miss out. This short practice is for the shoulders. Let's begin in a child's pose. I like to start in child's pose. It's grounding. It gets you It's comfortable, usually available for most everyone. Walk your hands forward, soften the forehead down, and arrive in your space. Connect to the present moment by connecting to the breath. Just observe and try to maintain a calm, smooth breathing pattern in and out through the nose. Walk your hands in, and we're going to thread the needle from here. So you're going to reach the right arm underneath, palm up. Let's make a fist with the left hand as a little pillow for the forehead. Try to level out the shoulders and feel the sensation grow across, especially the right one, as you also think about the breath. Let's keep the eyes open. The gaze is soft. That will help you to maintain presence. Use your left hand to help you sit up, and we'll switch that out. So the right arm walks forward so that you can thread the left underneath, and then make a fist and place your forehead on top. Feel the left shoulder. Also feel the rest of the body. Take a moment to feel your feet on the mat, the temperature of the air around you, the quality of this inhale, this exhale. And release. We're going to press up to all fours, a tabletop, knees hip width, hands shoulder width. Let's do 3 cat-cow. Inhale, arch the spine. Look up. Exhale, scoop the tailbone, round the back. 2 more. Inhale, move with intention, move with awareness. Exhale, pull the stomach in, tuck the chin extra. Once more, inhale. Exhale, round. Neutral spine. Tuck the toes. If that's too much, you can just sit on the feet. Pull the pinky edges out. Let's place our hands on top of our shoulders, kind of, I call them like chicken arms. We're going to draw some circles with the shoulders, but we're going to bring them to touch in front of us or really close and try to keep them close as you lift them up and open out. You can let the upper back move a little bit with this. So you're just exploring your range of motion. Oh, this one gives me goosebumps. And then reverse that direction. So reach the arms to the side, up. And if you can't make your elbows touch, you're just bringing them as close as you can. It's your range. It's where you're starting from today. I happen to have really long arms, and there's not much in the way. So here we go. I've got lots of space. Every body is different. Let's release the arms and shake it out. Interlace your fingers, palms together, knuckles away from you, shoulder height. Let's lower the chin and reach the knuckles away from you as you round the back. Let's take a couple of breaths here. Sit up. Press the palms away from you. Try to make sure the pointer edge side with your fingers and thumbs is also pressing away. Elbows are soft, shoulders pressed down. And now lift the arms overhead. Follow the hands with the gaze. Inhale. Exhale, release, sweep the arms wide down and around. Come back to tabletop, let the feet go, roll out the ankles, tap it out. Let's do one cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round, tuck the chin extra. Tabletop into puppy. Leave your legs where they are. You're going to walk your hands to the top of the mat. The hips are going to stay over the knees. Sometimes people want to bring them forward. No, we're getting into the shoulders. So you're going to walk your hands up and then place your forehead down, either on a block or the floor, the mat. Try to keep the weight even through the hands. Elbows can be a little bit soft. You'll feel this underneath the armpits, into the triceps, the shoulders, up or back. Breathe. Shift your weight forward into a sphinx. So you're going to prop up onto your forearms. You want them about one forearm distance away, so touch the elbows. Place your hands down. Let's shrug the shoulders and then know that that's not what we want. Unshrug. Press down under the wrists and then the elbows and kind of go back and forth so that you've got a nice grip. Relax the hands down and use them to help pull the chest through. Feet are about hip width, tops of the feet down. Breathe. Release. Let's extend the left arm out, shoulder height, palm down. We're going to roll onto the left hip. We're going to use our hand as a pillow again. Under the left temple, roll onto your left hip. Oh, deep shoulder opener. Balance with the lower half however you can. And then roll to the other side. Just keep in mind, this is very deep, pretty intense, so don't expect to necessarily roll all the way over. You might only be on your stomach still. Having the arm out can already be enough. That's okay. It's a little bit at a time. Return to your stomach for a cobra. Tops of the feet are down, about hip width or less between the feet. Hands are right by you underneath the shoulders and the elbows are nice and close. Roll the shoulders back. Press the tops of the feet into the mat by flexing the toes and lift up halfway for 3 short breaths. Pull the shoulder blades back. Relax your gaze. And release. Press up to a tabletop and back into a child's pose. Leave the arms nice and far away so you get that length underneath the armpits and the sides. Walk your hands in. We're going to thread the needle, right arm under the left. Use the left hand as a pillow. Press into the left hand and switch. You're going to walk the right hand forward, left arm threads, palm up. and then rest the forehead down onto the right hand. And release. Press to tabletop. We're going to do cat-cow, but can you try to, we're going to do one, but you're going to try to just keep it in the shoulders. So it's like you're shrugging your shoulders down, or you're shrugging your chest down, bringing the shoulder blades together behind you. Okay, we'll do two. Practice this first one. And then press the palms away and tuck the chin. So let's try that again. It's kind of a slow, awkward movement. You're going to lower down, try to bring the shoulder blades together behind you. And press them down, then tuck the chin. Tabletop. Let's do one regular cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Tabletop. One more puppy, right? You can always have one more. I always think that when I say that. Okay, forehead down. Notice if this one feels different from the one we did just a few breaths ago. Oh, that breeze is nice. Into Sphinx. We're not doing the whole thing again, just a few parts to strengthen, and muscle memory happens with repetition, so feel free to start this video over right away at the end, actually. Pull the chest through. Release. Press up to your tabletop. Let's sit back on the toes, on the heels, toes tucked, pull the pinky edges out. Let's interlace our fingers, palms together. Reach your arms out away from you, tuck the chin, and round the upper back. And lift up, press the palms away from you. Fingers are still interlaced, shoulders down. Inhale, lift the arms overhead. Follow them with the gaze, a little arch in the upper back. Release, sweep the arms so wide, down and around, hands back to the mat. Tap and release the ankles. We're going to sit back into child's pose. We're going to thread the needle, but stay with me. So reach the right arm under. The left arm is forward. This time place the right ear down. Left hand on top of the right palm. And we're going to press into the left palm. Try to straighten the left elbow, but this is going to get a middle upper back twist. Try to keep your hips down. And release. Use your left hand to help you to sit up. And switch sides. Right arm reaches forward, left arm under. Place the ear or the head down, and then you're going to bring the right hand on top of the left. And it probably won't straighten all the way, but just press to try to straighten the right arm and get that middle upper back twist. Breathe. Release. Press into the hands to sit up. And make your way to a comfortable seated position on your mat. Sit up tall. And let's find some gentle neck stretching. Lower the right ear to the right shoulder. And switch sides. Lift. We're going to lift the chin, but keep the teeth closed. And center, lower the chin. Try not to shrug the shoulders. And lift up. Look over the right shoulder. Try not to bring the left with you. And look the other way. Back to center. Half or full circles in both directions. It's up to you. Few more moments of concentrated breathing. Quiet thinking. Let's come back to center. Lift the head, sit up tall, bring the palms to touch. Just feel what you feel. We'll close with a breath. Inhale, sweep the arms wide, reach them overhead. A little bit more at the top. Inhale. Long exhale, lower the hands down. Hands to heart center or by your sides. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank yourself for your practice. I am so grateful to have your presence. Please let me know what you thought by liking, commenting, telling a friend, and I will see you in my next video. Namaste. Namaste. Oh, my shoulders feel so good now.